everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Here we'll see how to build an APK for Android. Now I'll be using Android Studio, but the idea is pretty much the same. Once you have your editor ready, if you come at the top, you will see there's a build option over here, and here you'd see build AAR, APK, build app bundle, and things like that. So we'll choose this one. Okay, and as we choose it, it'll run this Gradle task, and then eventually it would build an APK for us. And yes, I do have some warning, but we can ignore them. It might take a couple of minutes. It depends on the size of your application. Now here the build APK is done, as you see, and it also told you that wherever you are, from there go to this directory and you'll find this APK. Okay, all right, so I'll copy this path and I'll come to the terminal over here. Now remember, this path is from the root directory of your project. Okay, so I would come over here and I would step back one directory, and this is my root directory. I would do pwd. Okay, so this is my root directory. So from here I would do cd and the path. Okay, now here I would do ls. Now here I see that I have this few packages. Now here we do have for debugging purpose, for release purpose, for general purpose. Okay, now here I would open the dot, and now here I see that I have this 4. So now you can distribute them the way you like. Okay, so that's how you build APK and find it. Thank you so much.